Come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. Ano bang castle layout to? Tangin na ito yung cancer eh. Puti puta. Gabo, sa mas maganda mag-siege para sa inyo? Sa north or sa south? Kung saan kayo mas may position? Zone southeast, zone southeast. Mag-a-adjust ako. Saan nyo gusto mag ano? Yung Zerg. Saan kayo mas sanay? North? Kaya north angle tayo. Maliit ako. Ino mo ah. Come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. Hirapan tayo pag-isa. Yes, chef. Hold southeast gate. We need to be fully regroup. Okay, women zone in. Fully regroup, women zone in. Everyone needs to be here. Party 2, kompleto kayo. Dito ba lahat?
Oo, isa lang wala yung Irene.
Sige, sige, sige. Holding southeast ah. Holding southeast. Hold southeast gate, please. Hold southeast gate. 19 debuff. Can you check the comp? Anong comp nila?
Na-scout ko na may Aerion dito, may Aerion.
Like, clap.
Clap talaga. Wala silang brawl. Wala silang brawl. Brawlers ha, pasukin nyo yan. Putang ina nyo.
Heavy Infernals, ha?
Hindi, papasukan ko yung aso nyo. Hold southeast please, hold southeast. Heavy Infernals, okay. Hold southeast, hold. You're holding. Holding. Mas marami tayo, right? I don't give a fuck, we're gonna go in. Full brawler second party eh. We just play for gate, let bomb squad do their thing. Kapag pwede mag-headbutt, mag-headbutt tayo. Please, sa headbutt, drop defensives. We need guard drones rotations on the fucking gate. We need rot callers on time. We need everything on time. Pag mag-headbutt tayo, drop everything, okay? Come east. Follow crown. Hold. Follow crown first. Follow crown. If you're main Zerg, follow crown. Naka-crown ba ako? Naka-crown ako? Yes or no? Crown ako, right? Come east. Okay, 22 D8 sila. Come northeast. Scout, please, scout. Give me info. Nasa labas pa sila. Nasa loob sila. Ang ginagawa nila.
Inside the gate north.
Okay, guys. Let's go. Please, on point ha. On point. Baka first engage agad. First engage nila.
Color
Headbutt
nila
tayo.
is lumabas, ha?
Lumabas.
Come. Up the choke to the northwest. Up the choke to the northwest. Push up with charge. Main Zerg. Up the choke to the northwest. Main Zerg. Up the choke to the northwest.
One screen.
Up choke to the northwest. Hold you. You're facing south. Now. Facing south. Actually, lugi sila dito. Wait for bomb squad to be on position. Use na pisang. Okay, rotate eastern. Ang pangit na angle natin. Kami east. Nasa labas pa rin sila? Yes or no? Kami east.
Yeah, pushing.
Kami slingshot. Ready to def. Come south. Around the choke. South. You're holding western. Ready for headbutt lang. Use the pisang. They're trying to kidnap this fucking tank here. Kidnap this fucking tank. Okay, do you have a fake engage? Here? Okay, hold you. Fake top. Engage. Headbutt in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt west now. Headbutt west. Front line.
Hindi ba ma?
Front line lang.
May bomb ka sa north, ha? Bomb mo north.
Come southeast. Upuan niyo north. Brawlers. Upuan niyo north. Brawlers. Upuan niyo north. Rotate north. Come east. Ready for engage. Okay, come on. Pangit position natin. Come on, please. Super bomb sword. Use the piston. Hold. Ready for that. Headbutt again. Red south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt down. Headbutt south, please. Headbutt south.
Hindi ba sila?
We need damage, please. We need damage. Use the piston tanks. Tignan yung mga tangke na niiwan. Tignan mo sa Ekans. Pero wala tong clerical. Patayin nyo to. Kitapin nyo to. Putang ina mo, yung buong angkan mo. Tarantado ka. Kaya patayin nyo. patayin to. Ready for them, please. Ready for them. Ready for them.
Drop
Ready
on
for
your
them.
knife,
Ready for them. Ready for them. Okay, come on.
Bomb squad north, bomb squad north, bomb squad north.
Listen. Come north. Come north, tos. What's around? Come west, please. What's around? First engage first. Ready in 5, 4,
Looking, ah.
3, 2, 1. First engage first now. DPS,
Shoot,
nasaan
shoot,
kayo,
shoot,
DPS? Come back. Def on the choke, please. Def on the choke. Brawlers, brawl na. Pasok. Brawlers, brawl. Brawlers, brawl. Come. Pasok. 5 seconds. Cool down DPS. Pasok. Brawlers, pasok. Brawlers, second party, pasok. Nasaan kayo? What the fuck? Come on, this. Up to choke again. Ready for the. Hebat tayo. Defend. Walang defensives. What the fuck? Yo, hold you. Come on, this. Wala ba akong brawlers? Come on. Ano nangyayari, men? Asan yung brawlers ko? Magsalita kayo. Second party. What the fuck? Walang brawler second party.
Wala na.
Hello?
Siya na lang.
Okay, Paano kayo namatay?
May another blob, oh.
Mata. May another blob.
Kailangan na rin BS pa.
First.
Rejects no, level 14.
Rejects no, okay, come sa us. Rigger, come back. How long? We can still play, okay? Go on the ping, please. Go on the ping. Ang sobrang watak-watak natin sa positioning, guys. Ayaw ko ba't ang layo nyo sa crown. Okay. Come on the crown now. Siege north. Meron pa ba akong BS dito? USL BS?
Wala na.
Like, both BS are
Dalawa
down?
yata.
Both BS are down? Okay. Walk the gate, please. Walk the gate.
Gearing daw.
I'm just waiting for my occult to be back. May
Reject
occult
snow nasa southwest na nila. Second gate na to.
Sige lang. Please, Rigger, come back. Guys, no, kapag mag-engage tayo, hindi sasabay ang second party sa engage, first party lang. It's enough damage. Second party, ang trabaho nyo, kapag after natin mag-engage, sobrang nabad sila, ibobrawl nyo. Guys, full RDPS comp sila, wala silang brawl, okay? Wala silang brawl. Ewan ko ba't kayo natatakot pumasok. Second party, pasok. Yo, they're eating out. Ready, face. Come here. Hold you. Use no bisang. Ready for headbutt, okay? Ready for headbutt. Use no bisang sa harap. Be careful. Ready for headbutt. Tangina, kidnapping mo to. Cue him. Ready lang. Okay, come here. Tayo naka-face dito. Ano nangyayari?
Umalis na.
Sa reject south. Maalis.
Lumabas na.
Come back. Baka mag-rotate sa atin. Tayo mafa-flank. Come here. Full sprint north. Front. Sprint. Disengage now. Sprint. Northwest up the choke. Ba't kayo nandyan? Ba't kayo nasa east? Stay with the crown. Ready. Headbutt. And you're facing south now. Ready headbutt. Facing south. Huwag kayong lumayo sa crown, please. Look at the crown. Look at the fucking crown at all times, yeah? Ready. Riggers, how long? We can't really fight this. We got our fucking BS. Come on. Edge na kayo. Come on. Full Ditang. Solid. Ready, east and a couple seconds here. East. Shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now. Shallow. Watch out. May head ba tayo? Def. Ang layo nyo sa amin. Def. Guys, nasan kayo? Ang layo nyo.
Squad north
Sundan
mo,
yung
ah.
BS.
Squad
Huwag
north.
yung
Squad north.
sundan yung BS.
Guys, nagkakait tayo.
Sundan yung BS.
Color down.
Going back. Okay. Try to see where he's going.
Rigger, please. Come back. BS, wag mo nyo muna tumuloy. Isa pang laban. PM nyo na lang yung kalabang kung gusto nyo. Sa plateau tayo mag-meet up, please. Plateau. Sobrang lala ng positioning, guys. Sobrang lala. Wala rin kasing dual comms. Hindi ko alam kung narun over ba yung bomb squad natin sa north. kanina.
Bomba yata sila. May inbibam kasi yung enemy eh. Hindi ko lang sure
Mukhang
kung sino
nabomba
yung
sila ng Bridal.
Hindi nakapag-position na maayos eh. Nagpanic ata kayo nung lumabas yung kalaban. It was like, sila nga yung lugi dapat dun eh. Sila dapat lugi dun, Lods. Okay, comes out is Rigo pang plateau, Rigo pang plateau. We go one
Is
more.
main Zerg
Go one more.
regearing?
Main Zerg is regearing, yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
Lambat ako sa woods lumabas. Pag nagkakite tayo, ang ginagawa nyo, tinatakbuhan nyo yung front line. Huwag yung tatakbuhan ng front line, nagkakite nga eh. Kite means you're with the Zerg. You are not going ahead of us. Di full run. Kite. 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 Kasi pub-zone na yung triggers natin nun, no? We just have to buy time. Like, ang laki-laki na ng crown. Naka-live ako. Tignan nyo yung live ko. Gano'ng kalaki yung crown. Putang ina, mamimiss mo pa ba yan? Bulag ka ba? Nigga fuck. Gornit is on the... Rigger main Zerg, ah. Ang lala. Sobrang ayos ng laro namin nung 8 UTC. Wasak this yun, UTC. Sobrang lala. Ewan ko bakit. Full run yung kite loads. Takot kayo. Ang dami yung defensives. Isa pa, isa pa. One more, one more. Andiyan pa rin ba sila? Can someone PM them? Nasa edge na kami. Tatagal din mag-rigger. Guys, rigger come back fast, ha? Fast, fast. Might miss this fight. Sabi sa inyo, di marunong maglaro yung brawlers natin eh. Putang ina. Ewan ko ba't kayo namamatay sa first rotations, di naman tayo nagra-run over. Mamaya, papanoorin natin sa bod ano nangyari. Kamsatis, kamsatis. Nandun pa rin ba sila? Anyone is still there? Anyone scouting? We're in platoon now. Hold northwest, hold northwest, hold northwest, hold northwest. Hold. Ba't nawawala na ako ng members? Di pa tayo nagdidimas. How long, riggers? Level 17 tayo ngayon. Oh my god, ang lala. Kahit hindi full run. The fuck? So bad, bro.
Wala na sila dito.
Dapat sila lugi dun eh. Dapat sila talaga lugi dun eh. O ba tayo nalugi? 17 DA. Ano nangyari?
Namatay pala yung color agad ng rejects, no? Kaya nag-out agad.
To 15 dito sa Peninsula Aumanda. Ilan tao?
Andiyan pa rin ba sila?
Wala
Anyone?
Na,
Wala na sila dyan?
wala na.
Ay, naku. Sige, awin na tayo. Zone Northwest. Sobrang sayang. Dapat tayo panalo dun eh. Napaka-undisciplined ng mga tao, Lods.